Let's take a look at the first question. The inequality x minus 2 less than 6 can be expressed in the form x is between a and b, where a is equals to and b is equals to. Right, so let me just write that down. So what are we saying? We're saying that the absolute value of x minus 2 is less than 6. And we are saying that it can be expressed in the form x is between it is between a and b, where a and b are equals to. So we are looking for the values of a and b if we express the absolute value of x minus 2 less than 6 in this form. Okay, we know fully well that the absolute value of x minus 2 less than 6 will give us minus 6 less than x minus 2 less than 6. Alright, so we add 2 to minus 6 and 6. If we do that, we're gonna get minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. X is less than 6 plus 2, that is 8. So clearly a is equals to minus 4 and b is equals to 8. So that is the value of a and b. Let's take a look at the following question. We have the inequality minus, so this is question 2. We have the inequality minus 15 is less or equals to x, and x is less or equals to 7. That can be expressed in the form x minus a, the absolute value of x minus a, is less or equals to b, where a is equals to and b is equals to. So we're looking for the values of a and b. Alright, we're given the inequality and we're looking for the values of a and b. In the previous example, we were given the absolute value, right? Obviously with the inequality sign. But now we have this form and we're supposed to find the values of a and b. So let's stick to the basics here. What would we do if we have the absolute value of x minus a being less or equals to b? Obviously, we would say that minus b is less or equals to x minus a, and x minus a is less or equals to b. That's what we would say, right? And then making x subject of the formula, so to say, we would have minus b plus a being less or equals to x, and x is less or equals to b plus a. So we have b plus a. But we know fully well that, let me show you. We know fully well that b minus b plus a should be equals to minus 15. And then on the other hand, 7 must be equals to b plus a. That's what we have, right? So we are just equating minus 15 and minus b plus a, and 7 with b plus a. So if we say b plus a is equals to 7, we can just write that nicely as a plus b is equals to 7. So I'm actually gonna say a minus 7 is equals to minus b. I'm choosing to make minus b the subject of the formula so that when I set up the second equation, my life is simplified. At this level, you should see what I'm trying to do here. So now that I've made minus b the subject of the formula, I can say that minus 15 is equals to minus b plus a, right? So minus 15 will be equals to, and then in place of minus b, I'm gonna substitute a minus 7 and then plus a. So minus 15 is equals to 2a minus 7. We take minus 7 to the left hand side. we get minus 8 is equals to 2a. So minus 4 is equals to a. Alright, there goes the value of a. And then a plus b is equals to 7. So minus 4 plus b is equals to 7. B is equals to 11. Right, let's see if that checks out. A is equals to minus 4 and b is equals to 11. Let's see if that will lead to the inequality. So we are saying we have x minus a is minus 4. So it would be plus 4, right? And then b is equals to 11. So b would be 11. So let's check and see if it checks out. So we would have minus 11 x plus 4 plus 11. We subtract 4 on all sides, we get minus 15 x, and then 11 minus 4, that is 7. So minus 15, 7 x checks out. We have less or equals to here, by the way, not just the inequality, but greater or equals to, I mean. So there we go. That is how we can apply absolute values and inequalities. But what about these difficult problems like number 3 and number 4? Let's take a look at that in the next video.